how much does it matter what Americans think?
Well, it matters every bit what Americans think. That's
Okay.
why Americans vote. It's why Americans have the opportunity to have free speech. We want them to have it.
Okay, so what percentage of Americans support a war with Iran?
I don't know. Do you know?
I do. I think it's around, I saw the numbers yesterday. I think it was like 21%.
Okay.
Is that enough to have a war with Iran?
We don't live in a world where you have a poll taken to find out whether our policy should be a particular direction.
I thought you just said that
That's
we
direct
vote.
democracy. No, we care deeply about it. But on the other hand, do we make the decisions of foreign policy and even domestic policy based on
We
what
care
the
deeply
latest
about
poll
it.
number?
And if we're ignoring it, then in what sense do we, quote, care deeply about it?
I think we care deeply when we see there's a threat.
Duta Besar Amerika untuk Israel yang juga seorang Zionis Kristen fanatik, Mike Huckabee, mengungkap fakta yang menjadi dugaan banyak orang. Perang melawan Iran adalah demi kepentingan Israel, bukan Amerika. Terbukti, suara mayoritas warga Amerika yang menolak perang tidak menjadi penentu kebijakan. Seharusnya ini menjadi alarm bagi negara-negara Arab lainnya, karena ideologi ekspansionis Zionis pastinya akan mengendaki wilayah-wilayah mereka juga.
No, but about Americans' opinions. So you've got 350 million Americans. They voted in this last election on the basis, in part, of the promise no more wars. Okay. So now we're about to have a war, looks like. 80% of people are against it. In that range, let's say 70%, but nowhere near majority support for this war.
An opportunity for Americans to vote if they think that we've made the wrong policy decisions. I personally think the president is making the right policy decisions.
But I guess, but you just said it matters deeply what Americans think. And if the overwhelming majority are against it, in what sense does it matter? Because what I hear is it matters what they think, but it really doesn't matter what they think because...
No, you take it in, you certainly ingest that.
And then what do
But
you do with
ultimately-
it once you ingest it?
Then you make sure that you have... No,
You just gotta...
if you
It goes
have-
out the other end, obviously.